Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Sheets as a BigQuery data source. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Google Cloud Console. In the top navigation bar, select the project where you want to enable Google Sheets. From the left sidebar, click on BigQuery. On the BigQuery page, locate the Add Data button. Select Connect to External Data Source from the drop-down menu. Choose Google Sheets from the list of available data sources. A dialog box will appear prompting you to sign in to your Google account. Sign in with the account that has access to the Google Sheets you want to use. Once signed in, you'll be asked to grant permissions for BigQuery to access Google Sheets. Review the permissions and click Allow to proceed. Enter the URL of the Google Sheet you wish to connect. Make sure the Google Sheet is shared with the appropriate permissions for BigQuery. You can adjust the data access settings as needed. After entering the URL, click Connect. BigQuery will establish a connection to your Google Sheet. Once connected, you will see your Google Sheet listed as an external data source. Now you can query this data using SQL in BigQuery. To verify the connection, write a simple query to fetch data from your Google Sheet. Execute the query to ensure that the connection is working correctly. Your Google Sheets data is now authorized as a BigQuery data source. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.